Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a PetCove Self Cleaning cat litter box and you need to do a hard reset on the device. Now you might need to do this if you're having issues with it not working properly or with it not connecting to your app, or if it's just not communicating properly with the app. You can just do a hard reset on it. Now then you will have to repair it with the app once you do this, because it will be like a new device. But if you want to do this, it's quite simple. All you need to do is come in here, and on the actual litter box, we're just going to come in here, and this very first button over on the left, we're going to press and hold it for at least 5 seconds. And if you press and hold it for 5 seconds, that will reset, completely turn off and reset the device. And then you can reconnect it to whichever app that you want to. So anyways, and if you have any other questions, I'm actually going to put a link in the description to this specific litter box, so you can check out more information about it.